Hey, just wanted to send over a quick Loom before I called it for the day. Okay, so the agency tool, basically, it's almost like just like kind of a layer on top of the current July tool set. So what we do is we help managers or agencies manage their roster and more effectively pitch their talent. So this is what our autopilot roster looks like, but essentially, managers will be able to invite their talent from their portal, and then they'll start filling in here. This will allow them to have automatically updating media kits. So they won't have to take screenshots from their creators, and then it allows them to create pitch decks, one sheets, as well as view their roster. So they have all of their different creators July accounts attached here that they can just jump into if they wanted to view one of their media kits. I'm not sure if you can see that via Loom, but I think it jumps over. Yep, so you can see their media kits with all of their live updating stats, so they don't have to worry about it. And then with all of those different creators attached, if they jump back in, they can do roster view. So you can view their entire creator roster and send this to people via a shareable web link, as well as one sheets, which are essentially groupings of like evergreen links for groupings of creators. So these are our DIY and home creators. So Tyra, Bong, and Brittany, and then they can send this as well to any sort of business or agency that they're working with that is asking for it. And it'll be, again, a shareable web link with all of their stats and information, as well as linked out to their specific media kits if they were to click on them. Yep, so that's there. And then they also have pitch decks. So if they were to prepare a specific presentation for Figma, I don't know if the logo's here. Yeah, it is. So home creators for Figma, let's say we're an agency trying to pitch to Figma, we would pitch them with a grouping of our select talent that we think would be a great fit. And they'd be able to do that all with a couple clicks and have it live within their dashboard and just not have to like manually find screenshots or update PDFs or create decks. And then they also have access to the entire July tool set as well. That's the current MVP that we built, and we sold to 16th as our first paying customer. They have about 43 creators that they're all onboarding right now. And then we're looking into sort of automating the rest of their workflows as well, payment processing and a number of different areas that I'm happy to jump into. But just wanted to send this over before I go to bed. But we'll talk soon. Thanks, Alexis.